How to change a phone number in IMO. Got a new number? This guide shows you how to change a phone number in IMO so you don't lose your account. First, open the IMO app and go to your Me page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Settings and then go to Accounts and Security. This is where you'll manage your account details. In the account security, find and tap on Change Phone Number. IMO will ask you to enter your both old phone number and your new phone number. Make sure to input the country code correctly. After entering both numbers, IMO will send a verification code to both your old and new numbers. You'll need to enter those codes to confirm the change. Once verified, your phone number will be successfully changed and all of your chats and contacts will remain in your account. You now know how to change phone number in IMO. Get ready to chat with your new number. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.